What's up everybody, Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm going to be working on a 67 Monterey Convertible. It's kind of a rare car from what I hear. We started doing some body work on it about a year or so ago. We got it all in prime and it's been at my other warehouse. But we're now ready to bring it down here, get it in the paint line, get it sanded and shot. This car doesn't have an engine in it, so I needed some car dollies. I contacted this company called Kensum and I did a little research. They seem to have some good quality stuff. I contacted them and said, look, I needed to get a pair of dollies. My other one's broke. And if they'd be kind enough to send me a set, I'd go ahead and do a video on it. So they sent me these four right here. And here are the specs on this. They hold up to 6,000 pounds. That's more than what I need. The dolly size is a 410 by 294 millimeter. That's plenty fine. And the dollies are made of steel. It's a 4-piece set. And the casters on these, if you look, they swivel 360. And you have two locking and two non-locking. When you take them out of the package, this is how they are. They're already pre-built, pre-assembled, ready to go. Only thing I did notice that in the packaging when it came, the box they used kind of got thrown around a little bit. So some of them came in scraped up and damaged up. But that doesn't bother me none because I'm definitely going to abuse these things. They look good. Everything's great right now. When I go to put them on the car, we'll put them on there. We'll see how it works. Supposedly, with the wheel setup that it's got, you should be one man supposed to be able to push this car. But it's a pretty big car, so it might take two of us. So let me get this car down here, get them on, and see how they work. Catch you in a bit. So this is why I needed the car dollies. This is the 67 Monterey I was telling you about. It's all ready for paint work. We got the fenders inside the car. I just got to build the front end, make sure everything lines up, and go ahead and get it shot. But we have mismatched tires all the way around. This one here is kind of big. Hopefully it fits on that car dolly there. But I'm gonna show you how to put it on the dolly. Hopefully it sits, like I said, I think it might be a little wide for this here, but we're gonna try and see if it works. I'm gonna show you how to do the first one, then we'll get all four on there and we'll see how easy it pushes. Just remember when you're jacking the car up, safety first, be careful. When you're putting the dolly underneath it, don't get your hands in the way, don't drop it on yourself because it's, you know, anything could happen, anything could happen. Well, it might work. All right, this is easy as that. Let me get the other three done and let's see how it pushes. Like you said, they claim one man can do it, but this is a pretty big car. They say one person can do it, we'll see. I think, yes, just push easy. All right. So it's a two-person job. It is not a one-person job. So by myself, I can definitely move it side to side. Pushing it back and forth, it takes at least two of us, especially because the front wheel, again, it's not locked down and it wants to skip on me a little bit. See, I can't do it by myself, but push, Chris. But with him on the other side, we can definitely move the car. Oh, all right. And we're caught in a little crack. That front wheel is a little big for that dolly, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna strap it down, I think. All right, they're definitely built strong and held this car just fine, and you can definitely move it around. I'll put a link in the description. If you want a pair, you can go buy yourself some and put them on a smaller car, like if you got like a Caravan or a smaller SUV or something, they'll be just fine. This is pretty much of a monster vehicle to test them on. But I guess if you're gonna test me, you might as well doing something like this, right? All right, that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching. Catch you later.